What indicator?
I'm sorry, what?
Wow, this is a clone of the, yeah, this is literally a clone of the Garden State Plaza location.
Or not.
It's the same exact mod. In fact, it was the same exact, okay. This might have an epic motor. It's a nice motor that you just talked over.
I did it quietly.
It's alright. Oh, whoa, it has, okay, yeah, I actually want to do 2 bars on this anyway. I think it's classic leveled.
I think a classic started.
This is literally what Westfield Garden State Plaza's Neiman Marcus looks like. It's the exact same thing. It's the same, it even was a Montgomery originally. Like, and the mod's even the same, it's the same Excel mod. At least I think it's an Excel, I think. I either read it as Excel or Excel Sierra. It's one of the two.
Classic level much?
Yeah, it does classic level. Alright. That stupid lantern.
Why? What's wrong with it?
It chimed when it started.
I didn't hear anything. Guess I must be dead.
I'm determined to go a 3rd time. You might as well just end your video here. I'm getting my motor tape.
Alright, you have fun with that.
Doing classic levels down here too. Well, let me make sure.
Now look up.
Okay. This thing better not. It didn't do it the first time. Alright, I'll just stand up here. There it goes. And that's, wow, that's it.